Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now both sides minus 4. Then what do we get is y minus 4 equals 2t. Equals 2t. Okay, because down here you have this concept. Now then we divide it by 2. Divide 2 to both sides. What do we get? What we get here is t right hand side divided by 2. We need a 2. So we then cancel that. So t on the right hand side I wrote on the left. And then we have a y minus 4 divided by 2. Now it's time for us to put this t back here. Okay. So then x equals 4 times t is y minus 4 over 2 squared minus 3. Okay, so basically you do is here is t and here is t. Okay. So you want to put there. Now from here you know you will have a, let me do is add 3 on both sides. Okay, add 3 on both sides. You may wonder why. I'll let you know in a minute. Alright, now what we get will be x plus 3 equals 4 times y minus 4 squared over 2 squared. Because this square, you see, goes to numerator and denominator. Now 4, 2 squared, they cancel each other. So what we get will be this one. Will be x minus negative 3. And then right hand side will be y minus 4 squared only. Probably you will get some idea from here. Okay. If you remember the equation for parabola, a standard form, then you know this basically is a parabola. Okay, so how does it look like? And you put some note right here. Is that the graph? Let me put right here. I want to put some note here. Whose graph means the graph of this equation. Okay. Whose graph let me move this a little bit up. Okay. Whose graph the center what? -3, 4. You see, -3, minus -3, so it's -3. Not with the center. I should write vertex. 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 Okay. Whose graph with the vertex -3, 4 is shifted from the graph of this equation x equals y squared. Okay, you see previously without shifting should be x equals y squared. Okay, now you minus -3 minus x minus -3 y minus 4 is going to be this one. So it's shifted from the graph of this equation with vertex origin. How does this graph look like? X equals y squared. X equals y squared. X is always positive, so on the right hand side. Y can be positive, negative. Okay, y can be positive, negative. So y can be x is to the right. That's positive on the right hand side of y-axis. And then y can be positive or negative. So the graph is basically like this. Now we already have 3 points. Okay, what are those 3 points? Right here, the 3 points are 1, 2. X is 1, y is 2. So it's this one, you see? So here is 1, 2. And then -3, 4. -3, 4 is basically right here. So you have, let me put -3, 4 right here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here is 4. And here is 3. Negative. Okay, the third one is 1, 6. X is 1, y is 6. So you see t goes from smaller value to the big value. T has to be increasing, okay? Then you know the orientation for where those points go. Go from 1, 2 to this point, -3, 4, and then 1, 6. So it's in this way. Okay? So that would be the example. Remember, again, there are 2 things you got to do. Choose the t values. Second is to eliminate the parameter t. Then you know how the graph looks like. This is the standard form for the hyperbola. For the parabola. Okay? For the parabola. Alright. Now, let's look at the second example.